Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth on your Mazda CX-3. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked to avoid distractions. Then, turn on the Bluetooth function on your mobile device, making it discoverable. Next, access the Settings menu directly on your Mazda Connect infotainment screen. This initial step prepares both your phone and your car for a smooth and easy connection process. Now, from the Settings menu, select Devices to view your connection options. Then, choose Add New Device to begin the pairing process. Your Mazda Connect system will then display a 6-digit PIN. You must confirm this exact PIN on your mobile device to ensure a secure and correct connection. This step is crucial for linking your phone to your vehicle. Once the PIN is confirmed, your mobile device's name should appear on the Mazda Connect screen. Select your phone from this list to finalize the connection. Allow a few moments, perhaps 5 to 10 seconds, for the Bluetooth connection to fully establish. After this, your phone will be seamlessly connected, enabling hands-free calls and high-quality audio streaming through your Mazda CX-3 sound system. If you encounter any issues, don't worry. There are simple solutions. First, try restarting both your mobile phone and the Mazda Connect infotainment system. Sometimes, a quick reboot resolves minor glitches. If that doesn't work, delete any previous pairings from both your phone and the car, then try connecting again. Finally, ensure your phone's operating system is updated to its most current version for optimal compatibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.